Hello and welcome to Rejuvenate Health and Wellness Centers. Today you will be reviewing your report of finding results from your first visit examination and digital scans. Before you visit with Dr. Payne today, there are a few things that we need to inform you about in regards to the clinic and our clinic's culture. First of all, you should have received a welcome letter in the mail from Dr. Payne. If you have not received it, please let her know. Next, let's review how to access your RHWC online account. With this access, you can view upcoming appointments, schedule appointments, pay any outstanding invoices, and view documents in your medical records. You can visit our website to access your account. Our clinic has a loved one referral policy. Within your first 2 weeks of care, and only within your first 2 weeks of care, you're invited to extend the valuable invitation to those who really matter to you to follow in your footsteps by taking action for healthy living. This gift certificate that you share with your loved ones give them the opportunity to meet with Dr. Payne, receive a complimentary 15-minute chiropractic consultation and medical history review, in person, phone, or virtual. Tell them to mention this special when booking. Now let's look at Rejuvenate Health's 4 pillars of health. Because the brain controls everything in the body, we use a brain-based, holistic approach to treatment. We also use evidence-based methods as well. Our clinic's mantra is retrain the brain, retrain the body. Give the brain and body what it needs, and it will heal itself. All of our clinic programs and services address one or more of the pillars of health, which are mind-body wellness, functional therapy, nutritional healing, and stress resiliency. Chiropractic is a science, philosophy, and art where we focus on removing interference in the nervous system using the chiropractic adjustment so the brain and body can communicate and function optimally, thereby also healing from the inside out. Chiropractors view the spine not just as an anatomical structure, but as the conduit for the nervous system's intricate network, a system that orchestrates the harmonious function of the entire body. By focusing on this central network, our care strategies are designed to unlock the body's innate potential for healing and peak performance. In other words, chiropractic is the art and science of nurturing the body's intrinsic intelligence, ensuring the brain's seamless communication with every cell, tissue, and organ through unimpeded neural pathways. This holistic approach underscores chiropractic's commitment to enhancing overall health and vitality, not just providing temporary pain relief. It's like putting my hand over my mouth. No matter how much I try to relay information to you, you won't be able to understand me, and you won't be able to relay information to me. When we have these interferences in our nervous system, it causes subluxations. Subluxations are formed from physical, mental, emotional, and chemical stressors that become bigger than our body's ability to adapt. These stressors affect our brain and get stuck and stored in our nervous system, causing us to get stuck in a sympathetic fight-or-flight mode. This leads to overactivity of our nervous system that can cause physical symptoms such as chronic pain, muscle and postural imbalances, restricted joints, muscle spasms, and muscle guarding. Chiropractors are the only healthcare providers that clear neural pathways for optimum body function. Chiropractors aim to enlighten and empower their patients to seek their care that supports brain health, cognitive function, and overall well-being. It's brain, not bone alone. And this is where the spinal corrections through chiropractic adjustments will be made. Your first scan is the nervous system scan. This picture is an example of your report. This is a snapshot of how well your body is handling chemical, physical, emotional stressors. Examples of these stressors can be an injury, musculoskeletal imbalances, unhealthy diet, worry, and anxiety. The subluxations, like the ones evident here on the spinal scan, are the reasons why you're having pain. A copy of your scan is in your Report of Findings folder. This chart is posted in our clinic and will be available in your Report of Findings folder. This is called the Chiropractic Merit Chart. On this chart, you can see the functions of each spinal area and the symptomatic effects that will ensue when subluxations are not corrected. The second scan is your posture scan. Your subluxations manifest as postural distortions. Your posture is an outside picture of your subluxations. Once the subluxations are corrected and stabilized with consistent chiropractic adjustments and with therapeutic exercises and other modalities, your posture will correct as well. Chiropractic adjustments will clear this interference, allowing your body to heal itself and thereby not only making your pain vanish, but also improve your quality of life. Your third scan is your foot scan. Shows how your feet and your gait have lost balance, symmetry, and coordination from spinal subluxations. As a result, structural and mobility changes in your feet occur. It will measure falling arches, falling metatarsals, pronation and supination severity, and weight distribution in both feet. Now let's look at your wellness blueprint, also known as your treatment plan. Dr. Payne typically works with individuals who are suffering just like you to get them out of pain by providing highly customized chiropractic care and improved lifestyle habits. How is your wellness blueprint? Dr. Payne uses your health history, your first visit consultation, her years of experience working with others just like you, and your wellness score. Your wellness score was calculated using various parameters from your intake paperwork, questionnaires, chiropractic examination, and digital scans. This report will be reviewed with you shortly and is located in your report of findings folder as well. Your holistic treatment plan may include all or some of the following: chiropractic care, rehabilitation, soft tissue treatment and fascia stretch, massage therapy, nutrition, other therapy modalities such as spinal decompression or ultrasound. Dr. Payne will review which plan was chosen based on your wellness score. While Dr. Payne uses her hands to do some manual joint manipulations, she also uses a state-of-the-art adjusting instrument called the Impulse IQ. This instrument has a computer inside of it that detects how much and how fast an adjustment is needed for the joint to move properly. When you hear the beep, normal joint motion has been restored. After treatment, some patients will feel better, some may feel the same, or some may feel sore. Everyone is different. For some patients, as soon as they hop off the table, their pain is reduced. But please do remember that chiropractors are not miracle workers. It will take a course of treatment to adequately treat and stabilize any underlying conditions. Other people will walk away like nothing happened. They feel no worse, but don't notice anything beneficial immediately. It can take more than one spinal adjustment to notice improvement, and it can take a couple of days to feel a difference. Finally, we want to provide encouragement by hearing from two of our practice members.
And I wanted to put this video out because Dr. Athena Payne over at Salence Chiropractic Clinic and her team, they've just been amazing. I've been a patient of hers for a few years, mostly for preventative measures. Now, over the years, I've seen several chiropractors for the same reason. I like a lot of people, I work from a home office and I'm hunched over a computer, my head's looking down at the keyboard, and I often have, pain in my neck and shoulders. But I'll tell you what, from a health regimen, she has done so much to actually just keep me moving. I just turned 50, and I'm very fortunate to not have a lot of pain, and I'm in a position where a lot of people at my age just really aren't. So I'm so grateful for the treatment I've gotten over there. They're a fun group to work with, but also thorough and patient, and it's just been an amazing experience. I can't say enough good things, so I encourage you, go check out the Salence Chiropractic Clinic in Fort Worth, Texas. Dr. Athena Payne's, in my opinion, the best chiropractor I've ever worked with, so I'm grateful for her services, and I want to thank you all. And please, check out Salence Chiropractic Clinic. Have a great day.
We hope that you have enjoyed this presentation. Again, we welcome you to Rejuvenate Health and Wellness Centers, where we empower you to vibrant, holistic health and vitality. In the meantime, feel free to skim through your Report of Findings folder, where you will also find our clinic magazine, article summaries and testimonials pertaining to your condition, and other treatment resources. We will be with you shortly.